Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see Nifty option buying strategy. So this can be used for both the CEs and PE. This will be very interesting. Have a look. So this is our strategy. First we will see in graph, and then the same thing will implement in streak through algorithm and see how the backtesting results looks like, and then we can adjust our risk reward ratio and see the results how it looks. Okay. So the option buying this strategy, we need to buy at the money contracts, either CE or P. So basically for this we are going to use three indicators: MACD, volume weighted average price, vertex. So MACD is like 10 minutes time frame. MACD has to show positive. Then the closure candle has to happen above the VWAP. So basically this volume weighted will work only on contracts, because this volume weighted won't work on top of index, because index don't have any volumes at all. Okay. And then vertex. So basically the buy need to be initiate only when vertex positive crosses above the negative. That's when we are going to buy, and this strategy can be applied only once in a day, which will give a good results. Okay. So let us go. So one of the contract I have selected 15,800 PE just for demonstrative time, 10 minutes time frame. I'm going to add MACD. Let us add all the indicators: vertex and volume weighted. All three I have added. As we discussed here, 10 minutes time frame MACD has to show positive. If you see, let us change the color from black to green. So if you see from here, we can see that MACD green has crossed above the red one, and this is going. Now let us go to 5 minutes time frame. On 8th, we are looking on 8th date. This is 9th. Okay. On 8th. Okay. So here vertex has crossed, but MACD 10 minutes MACD is not yet in green. This is ignored. This is ignored. And then here, if you see near to 11:35, 11:40, the candle closed above the volume weighted, and MACD is going on green in 10 minutes candle, as well as vertex has been crossed. So 11:40 we will be initiating the trade, and then to some percentage we will book the profit. Okay, after some percent we'll book the profit. So strategy looks simple: 10 minutes MACD, closure above what volume weighted. Buy need to be initiated when 5 minutes vertex crosses above -1. Only once in a day. Okay. Let us go and implement in streak. Okay, see. So what I am going to select, Nifty 50 index, CE current weekly long, which is buying. Similarly, Nifty 50 PE strike 0 current weekly long. Okay, I'm going to buy 4 lots. So we are going to use multi time frame completed indicator, which is like because here we are giving 5 minutes. Now we want to use different indicators with the different time frames. So multi time frame I have used 10 minutes MACD higher than signal, which means green one is above the red one. MACD is higher than the signal, and vertex crosses above, the positive one crosses above the negative one. Since here we gave 5 minutes, this vertex will be applying on 5 minutes, and also the closure has to be higher than volume weighted. Okay, and then the stop loss I give 30%, profit I have given 15%. Okay, let us see in the back test. So the back test is running from 11th April to 9th July, which is up to yesterday. So you can see there are 27 results in CE, 25 are success, 2 are failures. So total 1 lakh profit, 55 calls came. Out of 55, 48 are success, 7 are losses. PE also 28, 23. So we can click here and see average winning trade, average losing trade. Since I gave 30-15, which is like 2:1 risk reward, the loss is bit high. Instead you can also give 15-15, which is 1:1, but again giving 15-15 will reduce loss as well as reduce your accuracy. if you see instead of if you see the accuracy compared to that, you will get only 82,000, but still the loss may be limited. Okay, whenever there is a loss, average loss is only 3,000, profit is also 3,500. 55 signals, 39 are success. So the risk reward is up to you. You can maintain 30, 50, 50 15 is to 15, or else you can give, or else instead of percentage you can go for points, because what is the advantage of giving points is here based on the premium, every time the percentage and profits differs. Like if it is just 44, you are getting just 2,000, whereas if it is the premiums are more, you will get more profit. See, for example, here when it is 44, 51 profit is booked, which is 15%, just 2,000, whereas here 142 to 63, same 15%, but since the premiums are high, you will get more profit. So instead of depending on premium, you can also give points. Instead of percentage, we can change it to points. We can give like 20 is to 10. So even the loss is every time static. I mean, whenever there is a 20 points reduce in premium, it will exit. Whenever there is a 10 points premium, it will book the profit. So 10 points is like 750 per lot. So you can see the maximum profit every time you might get only 3,000, and if there is a loss, there is a 6,000, because I gave 20 is to 10. You can also give 10 is to 10 and see the results. So again, all these stop loss and target is up to you. You can maintain according to your risk appetite. So you can see here profit 3,000, loss 3,000. 1 is to 1 I gave. So out of 27, 20 calls are success. You can see the winning rate, all these things here. Try it out. Mostly I'll use normal points or percentage in both. It depends. Here also I gave strategy as one cycle, because as we discussed in algorithm, we are going to use only once in a day. Okay, hope you understand. We'll try to do more videos on different strategies. There is small feature developments that are required in Streak, like combined target and stop loss for options that are required. Streak team is working on it. Maybe once they release those kind of features, we can implement very good algorithms, because combined targets and stop losses will be useful for many algorithms like straddle, strangles. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.